Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into a very useful feature of Trello, how to use the quote block in comments. This is a game changer for effective communication within your team. First up, log into your Trello account and navigate to the board where you want to add the comment. This is the first step because it's where the magic happens, where all your tasks and conversations live. Once you're on the board, click on the card that you want to comment on. This brings up the card details. The reason we do this is that each card represents a task or an idea, and it's within these cards that your team's discussions take place. Now you'll see the Add Comment box at the bottom. Here's where you'll be typing your comment. But before that, let me explain why this matters. When you want to refer to something specific someone else said, you can use the quote block to ensure everyone knows exactly what part of the conversation you're addressing. To create a quote block in your comment, type followed by a space. Then paste or type the quote. This helps us because it clearly separates the quoted text from your new comment, making it easier for everyone to follow the conversation. Next up, type your comment below the quote. Make sure to press Enter twice after the quote to start a new paragraph for your comment. This is important because it visually distinguishes your response from the quoted text. Once done, just click the Save button to post your comment with the quote block. And voila, you've successfully used Trello's quote block in comments. The beauty of this feature is that it promotes clear and precise communication within your team, reducing misunderstandings and making your collaborations more efficient. And there we have it, a quick, easy, and effective way to use the quote block in Trello's comments. Remember, using tools like Trello is all about enhancing your productivity and communication. So make the most of these features. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.